Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about how water is transported within a plant. Before we start, can anyone tell me what are the two types of transport tubes within a stem?
I know. The xylem transports water and minerals from the roots to the leaves.
And the phloem transports food from the leaves to the rest of the plant.
But teacher, how is water transported within a plant?
Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a celery stalk with leaves, blue food dye, an empty container, and a pair of scissors. To set up, fill up half of the container with water and add a few drops of the blue food dye into the container. Swirl the container to mix the water and food dye together. Then, use the pair of scissors to cut 3 centimeters off the bottom of the celery stalk. Finally, place the stalk into the container. We are now ready to leave the celery stalk in the beaker for a few hours. After a few hours, remove the celery stalk from the container. What is the color of the leaves? Pause and observe.
The leaves of the celery stalk turn blue.
That's right. Next, let's observe the cross-section of the celery stalk. Can you spot the xylem tubes? You may need to cut off a few centimeters off the bottom of the stalk so that you can see the xylem tubes clearly. Pause and observe.
The xylem tubes are the blue-colored dots in the cross-section of the stalk.
Yes. The xylem tubes transport the water with the blue dye to the leaves of the stalk. This causes the leaves to turn blue. The xylem tubes also turn blue after coming into contact with the colored water. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.